Stop memorizing English. Try this instead. Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This is Abid and I am an English speaking learner. Most people try to memorize hundreds of words, but the truth is, you don't need that. Think of English like cooking. You don't need every spicy in the world to make a meal. You just need the right ingredient. Instead of memorizing, practice 5 useful phrases daily. Number 1. Can you help me? Number 2. I don't understand. Number 3. What do you mean? Number 4. That's interesting. Number 5. Tell me more. These phrases work in almost every conversation. They are your survival kit. Stop memorizing. Start using, because fluency is built by action, not memory. Comment your favorite phrases below and practice it today.